Alrighty, YouTube, how we doing today? Well, I thought I would take a look at something a little bit different. It's a pre-made survival kit, as you can see, Mark 1, done by, well, Limitless Supply Company, or Limitless Supply Equipment, excuse me, and it's made by my brothers over the United Kingdom. So stay tuned right after we roll that intro. We're going to take a look at this guy. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying tuned after that intro. And if any of, my brothers and sisters over at the EDC Cooperative are watching, Freegram! Now that that's out of the way, I was surfing through, Amazon like I usually do, looking for, affordable gear to bring to the channel. And I stumbled across this and I giggled and I went, alright, I need to bring it here. What I thought was cool, inside the box, they gave you a sticker. And if I got the translation of that right, it's power through faith. I thought that was cool. There's what they say the contents are. Now we're going to take a look at it, bit by bit. Now, generally, I don't like pre-made survival kits because I think that they include what they think you need at a very low dollar value, for lack of a better phrase, for them, so they can maximize profits. But I thought, what the hell? Let's take a look at something from my brothers overseas. Alright. So, right off the top, they give you, and if I remember this number correctly, well, crap. Wrapped up in there, there's two little zip ties. And this is 6 feet of what they call their fire cord that glows in the dark. And you can see like the little, hopefully the little stitching on there. That will, well, not so much glow in the dark maybe, but take a shine and, let you be signaled. Inside this, there's like a strand of, for lack of a better phrase, candle wax. It's been chemically treated to be able to take a spark, or if you hit it with a lighter, it's going to burn and help you start a fire. So cordage, a way to start a fire, and 2 ways to lash some things. Not a bad start. Little button compass, and it's water filled. So you got to be pretty careful if you develop bubbles in there, because it's going to cause problems. But still, not bad. Now, I like this. Hopefully the batteries aren't dead. Hopefully you can see that. It's red, to help you at night to be able to locate things and not lose your night vision. So that's not bad for a little button light. Not bad. Okay, I hate these things with a passion. Hopefully you can see that in there. There's a wire saw. I mean, I guess in a pinch it's going to work, but a lot of these that I've tried out have broke after the first couple strokes. So still, not a bad idea being able to process wood. Small little pencil. Worst comes to worst, you can, whittle it down and get kindling to start a fire. Small little fishing kit. Not bad, way to catch food. And as you can see, there are hooks in there. Or a hook, I should say. Okay. Sugar stick. Not bad. I mean, heck, people are diabetic, have a problem. I don't know, you just want to add some sweetener. There you go, pure sugar. Not bad. Not a bad idea. 2 tablets of salt. A little wound dressing. I guess this is what they call their water storage device. Condoms can be used. I mean, make sure you get unflavored, because God forbid you don't want to taste that lube when you're drinking water, right? Now, I will tell you honestly, I know a lot of pre-made kits include little snare wire like this. Don't use it, because it's small. When an animal gets caught, they're twisting, turning, bending, breaking, doing whatever. This will snap and you will lose your dinner. Just saying. two little Ranger bands, a bigger one and a smaller one. They're good to be able to secure items, and they're a great fire extender because basically they're rubber, and rubber burns and burns and burns and burns and burns. Now, this is the one that got me. So, there's a safety whistle or signal whistle, and it comes with a Ferris rod embedded in the side. But I didn't see a striker anywhere, so hopefully you've got your knife on you that has a nice 90-degree angle. That way you can, strike and get, fire going. But, at the risk of waking up my kids and pissing off my wife. Okay. It's got a good sound right out of the gate, and it's P-less, so it will work in all conditions. This I thought was interesting. Vaseline. Great item to have. Whether you're trying to cover something up, whether you're trying to get fire going, it's a neat little item to have. I mean, there's probably about 1 million uses for it, and I'm kind of half tired and under-caffeinated today, so please don't expect me to rattle them all off. Little alcohol wipe. Not bad for first aid. Bit of duct tape. That's wonderful for starting fires and, securing things as well as dressing wounds. Slap a big old piece of duct tape over a cut, and you're pretty much good to go. Water purification tablets. If you can't boil water, those will help save your life. Oh, cool. Leave it to the Brits. They call them magic cubes, but bullion cubes. Nice. Nice, guys. And like I love, it says right there, I don't know if you can see it, source of iron, source of iodine. Not bad. Source of iodine, purify water, source of iron, help replenish yourself. Not bad. Small sewing kit. Sorry, ladies. Looks like a mini tampon. So that with the Vaseline is going to be able to help start a great fire. Folded up coffee filter. Great for helping purify, well, I should say strain water and help to purify some bits. Not a bad idea. Sweet. Piece of gum, anybody? Not bad. I never thought of that. Little surgical blade. Aluminum foil. Not a bad idea, Place it down, do cooking in it, be able to help start fires. Yeah, I'm feeling it. That's like right in the rain paper. So that with a pencil, if you really got to take notes or leave a, God forbid, a help me thing, there you go. 2 paper clips. They could be pretty much invaluable. I mean, heck, fishing helps set like hooks. You got 2. Not a bad idea. Two of those neat little pins. Help secure dressings, help for fishing. I mean, heck, lots of uses for those. Not bad. Not a bad idea. And last, 3 mini glow sticks. Or chem lights, depending how you want to call them. Look to be the green, ultra, here we go. And they're small enough so you can help mark an area and pretty much not be seen from miles around. So not a bad idea. I mean, that coupled with the tin, for making char cloth, being able to boil water, just cooking if you have to. It's a neat little variety of stuff. That's not a bad little kit from my brothers overseas. Alright, so what I'm going to do is set it all up, and we're going to take a look at it. I'll give you some thoughts. Alright guys, well that's my quick look at the Limitless Equipment Survival Kit Mark 1. I gotta tell you honestly, if this was the only thing I had on me to survive for a short amount of time, it's probably doable because there's some calories in here, there's ways to start fire, there's ways to catch food, there's cordage. You'd be okay for a short amount of time. Now long term, no. But I think this would be a great everyday carry little kit if you don't want to make your own and you want to pre-buy one. But that's my thoughts. I'd like to know what you think down below. Questions, comments, hatred, love, whatever. You guys know what to do by now. Let's have at it. Now, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for picking this one. I know it's a bit of a strange one, but I figured, what the heck, let's get this thing rolling, right? Now, you're going to see a symbol popping up right down here. It's going to be our little company logo. Please go ahead and click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. Once you do that, please destroy that bell icon that's right next to it. That way you'll be notified every single time we post up a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. Like I said, guys, it's a quick overview of the Limitless Equipment Survival Kit Mark 1. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.